Upon arrival for the uphill task to complete the rail tomb at Kasubi that was set ablaze by unknown arsonists and other dilapidated tombs of the kingdom like the Wamala tombs, among other structures of the kingdom that are in a sorry state, he was received at Makerere University Business School by the principal of the business school, Professor Balunywa. Besides soliciting funds for Buganda's accomplished mission, here Professor Balunywa advised all cultural leaders to promote innovativeness, which will be a driving force to spur economic growth in many kingdoms.
It is the leaders who propose development among the people they lead. I would like to appeal to other various cultural leaders to emulate your action. They may not succeed as you have succeeded, but it's a good lesson for us to pick and go to our various areas where we have katikkiro, where we have kingdoms, and say, can we learn from Peter Mayiga what he has done in mobilizing others to develop the country.
In response to Professor Balunywa's proposal to monarchs in Uganda, Katikkiro Charles Peter Mayiga said that any leader's assignment is to identify where challenges facing his leadership and provide immediate solutions to the problems at stake. He stressed that leaders are judged by what they have done to society, not what they say.
The challenges can be taken as the excuse for failing to carry out what we're supposed to carry out. And yes, at times, challenges may hinder us from doing what we're supposed to do, achieving what we yearn to achieve. But then a leader must find solutions.
After here, he continued to other places, including Uganda Revenue Authority, where he advocated for transparency and integrity in the authority. He noted that absence of transparency in institutions like URA will call for tax invasions and loss of trust from the business community that paid tax to the authority.
Many people would be willing to pay taxes if they felt that the resources they put together as a nation are put to good use in a transparent manner.
However, the Katikkiro appealed to the taxpayers to be disciplined and pay their taxes if the country is to develop to their expectations.
Payment of taxes is important for the building of any country. In Uganda we say Wanga Langa Musoro didn't come with the British. For as long as Uganda has existed, people have been paying taxes to build the community. So payment of taxes is a duty that should be embraced by all.
He also defended the Ettofaali campaign drive that some sections of the public are already criticizing. He revealed that through the Ettofaali drive, true development can be realized, not for Buganda alone as a kingdom, but also to all Ugandans.
When we mobilize collectively, not only is it for us to achieve more as a community, but indeed it is part and parcel of our tradition as URA, because we believe that we can only develop Uganda together. We cannot develop Uganda single-handedly.
The Katikkiro's first day of Ettofaali fundraising drive in Nakawa division collected over 90 million shillings in cash. Tomorrow, the Ettofaali drive will enter the second day with the Katikkiro again in Nakawa collecting Ettofaali.